If your neck is constantly leaning forward, this might be why. Right now, your head might be sitting several inches in front of your body. And that small shift puts a huge amount of stress on your neck. In fact, for every inch your head moves forward, the load on your neck almost doubles. Over time, this can lead to stiffness, headaches, and constant tension in your upper back. So people try to fix it by simply pulling their head back. But here's the problem. Your neck is not the only thing involved. Forward head posture usually happens because three areas stop working properly. Your upper back becomes stiff, your deep neck muscles become weak, and the muscles in the front of your neck become tight. So instead of just forcing your head back, you need to retrain the muscles that support your neck. Here are 3 simple exercises that can help. Let's start with the first one. The first exercise activates the deep neck stabilizers. These muscles help keep your head balanced over your spine. Lie on your back. Keep your head relaxed on the floor. Now gently tuck your chin slightly toward your throat. Think about making a small double chin. Do not lift your head. Just hold the gentle chin tuck for about 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this 10 times. This exercise helps wake up the muscles that keep your head aligned. Next, we need to restore mobility in the upper spine. Sit tall. Place both hands behind your head. Now slowly extend your upper back over the back of the chair. Open your chest and look slightly upward. Move slowly. Perform about 8 slow repetitions. This helps reverse the stiff, rounded posture caused by sitting. The final exercise strengthens the muscles that pull your head back into alignment. Stand facing a wall. Place the back of your head lightly against the wall. Now gently press your head backward into the wall. Hold the pressure for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. If you practice these exercises consistently, your neck position will gradually improve. Remember, your posture isn't fixed by forcing your body into position. It's improved by training the muscles that support it. So start small, stay consistent, and your body will adapt. Follow Move Better daily for more simple routines that help you move better and feel better.